Gravity is arguably the most important force in the universe. It holds planets in orbit, shapes stars and galaxies, and keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground. But despite its significance, we still don't know exactly why gravity exists at all. I'm the host, and this is my channel. And today we're answering the question, why does gravity even matter? Now that sounds kind of silly. Of course gravity matters. If it didn't, we wouldn't be here. But there's a deeper question hiding inside of that. You see, according to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity doesn't actually exist. It's just an effect of the curvature of space-time caused by the presence of mass and energy. That means that without mass, there would be no gravity. And if that's true, then why do all these massive things like planets and stars and galaxies have gravity? Shouldn't they just fall through the floor or something? Well, scientists think it has everything to do with this. This is a hypothetical planet, and this is what its gravitational field would look like if it were made of dark matter. Dark matter is one of the leading explanations for why the universe seems to have so much more gravity than we can account for. You see, according to Einstein's equations, the amount of gravity in the universe should be proportional to the amount of matter in the universe. But we know from experience that this isn't the case. There's way too much gravity out there. Galaxies spin way too fast and there are way too many of them. But if the universe had a whole lot of dark matter in it, then that would explain why. That's because the amount of gravity an object has depends on its mass, but also on what's inside of it. The more mass you have, the more gravity you have. And dark matter happens to interact with itself very weakly. So the only way we know of to detect it is through its gravitational pull. That means a planet made entirely of dark matter would have a very strong gravitational field, even though it wouldn't really interact with anything else in the universe. And not only that, but dark matter is thought to be 5 times more abundant than regular matter. So if dark matter makes up most of the mass of things like stars and galaxies, then that would explain why they have such strong gravitational fields. It would also explain why we observe so many more galaxies than we expect. Maybe they're actually all there, along with way more stars and planets than we can see. Now this is just one of several possible explanations for the extra gravity in the universe. But figuring out which one is right could have some serious implications. For example, if we find out that dark matter makes up most of the mass of the universe, then that means most of the universe is invisible and we wouldn't be able to see any of it. So yeah, gravity really matters. It's what allows us to walk on the ground and what holds the universe together. But it's also one of the biggest mysteries in modern physics. We may never know for sure why gravity exists at all, but the search for an answer has led us to some incredible discoveries, and will continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge for years to come. So thanks for watching this episode. If you liked it, hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and check out our new channel.